Thank you. First of all, I apologize for my French accent. The French Crédit Agricole was created to meet the financing needs of French agriculture, which at the end of the 19th century did not find the money necessary for its development, or at other years' rates. Therefore, the farmers themselves take the control of the means of their development. The model adopted is that of mutualism to pool resources that can be used for the allocation of small loans to members. Today, we will call this microcredit. In February 1885, it was founded the Crédit Agricole Society of the district of Poligny in Salins-les-Bains in the department of Jura. This establishment was based on the democratic model, one man, one voice. You can see it, the former house where was located this first local bank. This local bank serves as a model for the public authorities who decide to support the development of this new institution. Sorry. In 1894 is passed the law that allows the creation of local banks of Crédit Agricole throughout the French territory. This law is completed by that of 1899, which encourages the creation of regional banks. This federates the local banks of their jurisdiction and serve as central funds. They are also responsible for distributing the annual fee allocated by the Banque de France. The pyramid of Crédit Agricole is completed in 1920 with the creation of the Office National de Crédit Agricole, renamed later Caisse Nationale de Crédit Agricole. This public institution serves as a central fund for the regional banks and also controls them. Thus, we have an original institution at several points. Grassroots creation directly involving farmers and serving the local economy. Private initiatives to create local and regional funds supported by the public authorities. And a public institution forming the top floor of a pyramid of private institutions. Within the Crédit Agricole Group, only the historical archives of the Caisse Nationale de Crédit Agricole have been taken into account in the long term, with the creation of a service in charge of their conservation and communication. This service is actually located in Crédit Agricole SA and manages, in addition of the archives of the former Caisse Nationale de Crédit Agricole, the archives of the Crédit Lyonnais and of Crédit Agricole CIB and his ancestors like Banque de l'Indochine, Indosuez, etc. The service keeps two series of files of the Caisse Nationale de Crédit Agricole that highlight the mutualist principles of the group and its role as a financer of the local economy. First of all, the series of constituent files of regional banks held from the 20s to the 50s by the Caisse Nationale de Crédit Agricole in its role of control. These files concern 100 regional banks and include minutes of constituent general meetings, list of first members and subscribers, and list of directors. These different documents make it possible to visualize the social composition of this new membership. This series is currently being digitized to allow for better document sharing, particularly with the regional banks. We regularly communicate these documents to them when they want to explore their history and bring back to light their funding principles. Many social documents, like annual reports, statutes, internal regulations, etc., are present in these constituent files. Their digitization will make it possible to build a series of digital copies that will be completed later by the digitization of the missing copies from other archival fonts. In fact, there are currently no complete series of these documents, and it should be noted that a good number of the regional banks have disappeared today following a vast merger movement. About 100 regional mutuals in the 20s, we have only 39 today. To complete this series of social documents, we can rely on the archives of the Crédit Lyonnais. Effectively, in its documentation activity, the Economic and Financial Studies Department of the Crédit Lyonnais collected the annual reports on all of Cannes companies, including regional banks of Crédit Agricole. A second series of files kept by the Crédit Agricole SA Historical Archives makes it possible to study the financing of agriculture on the rural world in France. This is more than 4,600 files of loans from regional banks to cooperatives dating from 1909 to the 70s. These loans required the approval of Caisse Nationale de Crédit Agricole and were used to finance agricultural cooperatives of any field: cheese production, wine production, cooperatives dairy, etc. Classified by regional banks, these files make it possible to grasp the composition of the agricultural landscape of a region. This series was therefore constituted by the Caisse Nationale de Crédit Agricole. There must be such interesting series in the archives of the regional banks closer to the territories, but these have only recently been taken into account. Indeed, there was no institution in charge of their management in each regional bank. Each regional bank is responsible for their conservation and communication. But in last December was founded the Maison de Salins Foundation. It is based in Salins-les-Bains, in the former office of the first local bank of Crédit Agricole. I showed the first picture. And the aim of this foundation is to provide a framework for reflection on mutualism, its history, practices, and future. One of its missions is also to pool resources for the management and digitization of the historical archives of the regional banks. The digitization of the constituent files of regional banks presented above uses to initiate this program. As you can see it, the notions of utility, mutualism, and financing of agriculture and territories are still relevant in the Crédit Agricole Group. In fact, last year, it published an ethical charter that recalls its value of proximity, responsibility, and solidarity. One of the group's entities, the Grameen Crédit Agricole Microfinance Foundation, is putting these key guiding principles into practice, creating in 2008 at the joint initiative of Crédit Agricole and Professor Yunus, founder of the Grameen Bank and Nobel Peace Prize. The Grameen Crédit Agricole Foundation is a cross-business actor committing to promoting a better shared economy. Investor, founder, technical assistant provider, and fund advisor, the foundation has 70 partners, microfinance institutions, and social business. And it operates in more than 30 countries with more than 64 million euros in commitments. Thank you very much.